I was at the store the other night and couldn't believe the price of eggs. 7, 8, 9, 10, up to $12 for a dozen eggs. That's $1 a piece. But, well, we can talk about how to mitigate the high price of eggs in your own life, especially by getting eggs from local farmers and your friends who have chickens. And speaking of which, I'm going to go check my chickens right now, see how they're doing. Well, take a look in here. There's 4 eggs there. 5, 6, 7, 8 from 11 chickens. That's looking pretty nice. Let's go inside here. See what the story is. Hey. All right. Plenty of food. Water's full. Good job, girls. 8 eggs. That's the best day I've had in a long time. Well, let's see if we can grab some eggs here. I like to take them in the house in these little cartons. And I took the carpeting out of the nest boxes because it made the eggs roll easier. Oh, 3 green eggs. There we go. That's a pretty good haul. Well, those of you who have watched the channel for a little while know that I don't mind sharing eggs with friends and neighbors and family. I had my niece hit me up for a dozen eggs and my mom as well, and it's just awesome when you can provide fresh farm eggs to your relatives. But that's even more true now with the price of eggs going through the roof. I saw eggs for sale at the supermarket for about 12 bucks a dozen. That's $1 an egg. So these eggs I just had, these 8 eggs right here, that's $8 worth of eggs. That's unbelievable. Makes me feel like a rich man when I have my own eggs. And now that the chickens are laying even more because there's more daylight out there, I'll have 8 or 10 eggs a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. That's some food security, especially when you like eggs as much as I do. Now, the reason the price of eggs has gone up so much is that we've had avian flu in the country for the last several weeks, and 160 million chickens have been killed, which has really been a detriment to the supply of eggs. And of course, as the supply goes down, the price goes up. And one of the issues is that it takes about 5 to 6 months for a chicken to start laying eggs from the time it was hatched. So even if they're hatching chickens now, it's still going to be months before you start getting your own eggs. So for those of us who have our own chickens, we're way ahead of the game. One of the best ways to mitigate the high price of eggs is to support your local farmer. Many farmers in our area haven't raised the price of eggs that much, if at all, and are selling them to their regular customers who they know day to day. So they'll go into the local farm and get a price of eggs for at or about the same price as they were several weeks ago. Although as things get scarcer, you know the law of supply and demand, price may go up. But we have a couple people here in the neighborhood who over time have been trying to give away eggs. I don't think that's going to be a problem anymore. Raising your own chickens is something that you should think about. I've had a number of people come to me in recent months saying, my folks are thinking about raising chickens, or I'm thinking about raising chickens, but it may be a lot of trouble. And I certainly support raising your own food, and certainly support raising your own chickens. Raising your own chickens takes a couple minutes each day. I'm done with my chores for this afternoon. All I did is come out and just check on the chickens, and they'll go to bed tonight all by themselves with plenty of food and water, warm and dry. And that's about all it takes every day to keep them happy during the winter. And one other thing, every day I go downstairs to make my eggs in the morning, and I see that egg basket on the counter that's full of homegrown fresh eggs. And I get a kick out of that every time I see it. And nowadays, I feel just a little bit more like a wealthy man when I see that egg basket full of eggs that are now costing around $1 a piece in the store. It just gives me a great peace of mind, and they're delicious as well. Well, that's all I got to say about eggs today. This is Scott at the X-Fed Homestead. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.